Hey, now just go for a nice walk along here. It looks like foggy out. Looks like foggy towards the back to look now. Wow. The weather's so yucky, it looks like it's a little bit of the sunset, but not too much. Let's go for a nice walk. Thank you, Joe Gardens. Like those things. There's a little boat. It's got water in it. Oh, they're really fishing, it looks like. Let's go scuffle across the dunes, I like that. That's cool. I don't think it's a pirate ship. Oh, it could be. You don't know these things. East Beach, Selsey. Catherine. Hello. It's 4 o'clock, so I should be able to get to Selsey Road, get bus back to Thor. It gets dark, so that's good. It's windy now. It's a canoe. I don't think I'll be canoeing today though. It's cold. And it wet. Wow. Get up. It's lovely here. Journings. I'll take journings here soon. Well, next Sunday in August. We'll see, like in 6 months' time, we'll see. It's close to that college garden. Oh, that's not really a garden, it's such. Little boats by the sea. I've got the national walk, so that's good. Interesting to think of what's the thing. The railway slippers. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'll do a fun walk video. That'll do. Hello, doggies. Oh, hello, doggies. Hi. Hello. Hello. Oh. Lovely day, isn't it? Hi, doggies. They're so cute. Woof. Lots of woofs. Little woofs. They're interesting benches without your legs. It looks funny. Right. Excited to go to bed. Steady at last. It's a sunny breather. Yeah, you can't see the coast because it's so cloudy. Wow. In Selsey. Yeah, good thing I went local today. That wasn't easy, it's not that far to go home. Okay. Got the camera ready. I'll take it all thicky soon. Can't do much without taking a picture of Bob careful. That's alright though. Might get to the yard and watch out for it. No, it won't. Like that ice cream. I fancy an ice cream. Yay. Oh, whoosh. By the Lord, Jesus, don't stop. Oh, it's dead. That's the lake. It's the lake. No, the lake, you know what I mean. Whoosh.